In 2023, severe weather caused an 18-metre slip along Pine Valley Road, disconnecting rural communities near Silverdale from State Highway 1. Undermining the slip damaged culverts beneath the road, a gabion wall, and a competitor's mass block retaining wall. To reinstate the road and culvert, engineers required a vertical retaining wall solution that could provide maximum width for the new road corridor, while ensuring long-term slope stability. The repair involved two MagnumStone MSE retaining walls using StrataGrid reinforcement geogrid constructed on either side of a new box culvert. Designed for full highway loadings, the StrataGrid tiebacks included one layer spanning the full 13.5 metre road width to physically link the two walls. Cirtex maintained a steady supply of the custom MagnumStone units to help keep the program on schedule. Installation was quick and easy once the foundation was laid, with integrated subsoil drainage and riprap protection preventing future scour and erosion. With the 40-metre northern wall and the 51-metre southern wall complete, the road was successfully reopened before the holiday period, restoring a vital connection for the local community.